Samsung is getting ready to release the Galaxy Z Fold 7 this summer, maintaining its market dominance in foldable smartphones. Even while foldables are still seldom seen in public, this might soon change. The first foldable iPhone may be released by Apple as early as 2027, according to rumors that the company is getting into the foldable industry. Apple's market debut always garners a lot of attention, whether one likes it or not. With respect to Samsung, the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 is around 3 months away from release, and new benchmarks are giving us a better idea of what to expect. Recently, a gadget with the product number SF966U was spotted on Geekbench. It is thought to be the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in the United States. The listing shows a motherboard called Sun, and the chipset is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which is internally known as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This is the same hardware that will power the next Galaxy S25 series. This successfully allays earlier fears that Samsung would choose a less potent 7-core variant of the chip to control heat output. According to a source, the Z Fold 7 will certainly include the full 8-core Snapdragon 8 Elite, guaranteeing compatibility with Samsung's next flagship smartphones from the S series. Additionally, the test reveals that the Z Fold 7 will have 12GB of RAM, which is the same amount as the Z Fold 6, a disappointment for those who were hoping for a 16GB improvement. The foldable has been tested running Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8 on top, making it one of the first Samsung smartphones to ship with the new operating system. The Galaxy Z Flip 7, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and a new, more affordable clamshell variant called the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition are all expected to be unveiled at Samsung's next big launch event. Concerns have been raised about possible chipset downgrades to control heat in the small foldable form, but given the Z Fold's high price point, it is anticipated to stay around $1,799. Such worries seem to be unjustified. It is clear that Samsung is under pressure to provide top-notch specs everywhere. Apple's expected entrance into this market might drastically change the situation by bringing increased focus to the foldables category, even as Samsung's devices continue to improve. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will provide flagship-level performance and the newest software upgrades, so Samsung fans can rest easy for the time being. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.